Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. Friends, TCS NQT hiring is announced and the exam date is 26th of February 2025 and you will be able to register till 13th of Feb 2025. Friend, batch of 2020 till 2026 from any of the graduation stream are eligible to apply. I will give you more details about that. Even if you are a MBA graduate, then also you will be able to apply for it. So before I move ahead, friends, please do like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, because many a times we upload the hiring videos, and even though the deadline is 31st of January or 13th of Feb, but due to excessive application they will close the hiring process. And also regarding the paid NQT, free NQT, I am going to talk about that in this particular video, so please watch the complete video before you comment something in the comment section. Clear? Okay, so friends, right now the hiring which I am going to talk about, so this is a TCS paid NQT. Now, what is TCS paid NQT and what is TCS free NQT? And when free NQT exam will be conducted, if you are able to apply for the drive or not. So this kind of questions also are coming a lot, so I thought I will answer here. And if you really want to check if you are prepared for that or not, then this kind of questions generally are getting asked in TCS examination. You need to practice. And even I say, friends, that you apply for TCS paid NQT also. We will understand why I am telling that, the complete info in this video. Let us start. So friends, first let us talk about TCS paid NQT. TCS paid NQT will be conducted every 2 or 3 months, and TCS will give opportunity to all the stream graduate, not only limited to BE, BTech, BSc, BCA or anything. All graduates will be eligible. Here you can see. And fresher and experience, again fresher and experience both will be able to apply. Batch of 2020 till 2026. So let us go down here, and here you see no other company will give you these options, that even if you are from 2020 batch, 2021 batch, 2022 batch, 2023 batch, so if you are from all these batches, no other company will give you opportunity to write the examination. First thing, understand. So a student passing between 2020 to 2026 who are looking for a job, this gives you a clarity. Working professional with up to 2 years of experience. If you are working in some startup company, then also you can write this. Pre-final or final year student of any stream or degree. So even if you are in the pre-final year 2025 2026, final means 2025, then also you are able to write. You are eligible for any stream or degree. And one more thing which you will see here, so the companies which will be partner and hiring through this TCS paid NQT is TCS, Geron Stack, Persistent, Tata Elxsi Careers. Okay, a lot of companies are there, Future Generally, Titan, Public Sapient, Teamly. So a lot of companies are there which will be hiring through this. Now, friends, the only problem here in TCS paid NQT is they will be charging you some amount, but they will be giving you a lot of things. So here you see, you will be getting a scorecard with a validity of 2 years. So till 2 years your scorecard will be valid and you will be able to apply to the multiple companies. Resubscribe and improve. Unlimited chance to enhance your score. Always your best score will be counted. Like suppose today you are getting 1800 score. Tomorrow if you are getting 1400. So always you can go ahead with your best score. Free online learning course. So they are also providing you now. So along with this packages, they are providing you free online course 60 hours plus. Free practice set. So you will be getting a free sample test basically. Okay. So TCS NQT Cognitive. If you click over here, so you just need to log in and then you will be able to apply for it. So the sample test also you will be able to give. So these are the benefit. And for all this, how much they are charging? So they are charging just 599 rupees, that is 600 rupees. Now I always say, friends, paid NQT is not worth. I always say in my videos, you will see that I say paid in, because I have personally not seen many of the students getting the job from TCS paid NQT. Then sir, why the hell you are, I mean, why the hell is good? No, not that word. Guys are like, so why the hell, sir, you are promoting this? Why you are asking us to pay? See, the only reason is 599 rupees. You are going to get multiple things. Okay. See, here you see. So get, okay, 30 plus hours of free online learning courses on basic cognitive skills to help you prepare better. One free practice set to check your preparedness before the actual test. Free psychometric test to assess your workplace related personality traits and behavior. Friends, in college, you have spent around 7 to 8 lakhs. Some have spent 4 lakhs, some have spent 2 lakhs. Because if I'll say 8 lakhs, then somebody will comment, sir, I spent only 5 lakhs. Whatever money you have spent in college, minimum 1 lakh. So 4 lakhs plus you have spent. What did you get? No placement. Now most of the TPOs are not even responding. And the reason why TPOs are not responding, because now companies are not very familiar with the colleges and their TPOs, because companies are now able to do organize online test, and they are able to hire the best talent out of this online test only. So that is the reason now the coordination between the companies and, or you can say the dependency of the companies to the colleges is now over. So that is the reason. That is one of the reason. So friends, you paid so much amount, for your fees in the colleges. What did you get? Absolutely nothing. At least in 600 rupees, you will come to know. See, TCS is one of the exam, which is you can say like TCS is one of the best company. Their exam is also very, very good. So you cannot take it very lightly. So when TCS finally comes with free NQT, I mean, when they announce free NQT, that time you should be well prepared. It should not like, they announced and you just have 15 days, 20 days time, and you think that you will be able to prepare. So if you missed TCS, I don't know what to say, but you missed, a lot of things. You missed the biggest opportunity. TCS is one such company. And many people say, sir, TCS is not onboarding. By 90% of the candidate is now onboarded by TCS of 2024 batch. I know, I see when the student is getting onboarded, they ping me that, sir, my onboarding is this, that, on. Lot of people are getting onboarded in Feb month. Okay, 13th of Feb, Delhi region. So 90% is onboarded. So TCS keeps the things what they say that they will onboard. Okay. So 599 rupees at least you are getting all those things. So one free test and one actual test which you will be giving. So 600 rupees is a very negligible amount, friends. You would have spent lot of money here and there. So this is where you are going to get benefited. If you'll ask me, sir, will I get a job as a Ninja Digital or Prime role? I will say it's almost impossible event. You can only get jobs in some kind of call centers and all, as far as I know from our student. Now, if we'll talk about free NQT will be only for final year batch. Okay. So for right now, for 2025, on campus free NQT is almost done. And now for 2025 batch, off campus TCS NQT is expected. Where is that marker? I can't see marker only. Okay, menu cast. What is this? Okay, so it's quite strange. So I am unable to see the marker here. Okay, maybe. Okay, so I'll have to try to find out the reasons here why the marker is not available. Okay, fine. So now this is what I wanted to tell you, friends. So please go ahead and apply for it. Even though you are eligible, you are not eligible. Okay. Even if you're not eligible, you go ahead and apply, because you are going to get what is required. Okay. Now, so friends, for 2024 batch, now free NQT will not happen. Only for 2025 batch, free NQT will be happening. So 2025 batch, free NQT will be happening. And that free NQT will be happening in March or April, so you need to wait. Let me see if I get my marker on this particular presentation. Okay, so all apps. Okay, crops, spotlight. Okay. Okay, marker is here. I don't know, somehow it went inside that. Okay, so sorry for the disruption in between. So 2025 batch. Okay, so on campus free NQT is done and off campus free NQT is expected. See, generally that comes in Feb, but there is a delay, so we can understand that March or April the exam will happen, but the notification should come in Feb. So you will be having very limited time for the examination. People who have written on campus, failed, or wanted to upgrade from Ninja to digital or digital to prime, you will be eligible to write as per the last year. See, the question in the exam will be very, very easy. It will not be tough. So if you are thinking that question will be tough, no. Basically, in 2025 batch off campus, the question was easy. Here we have put previous year questions of TCS NQT, that exam which happened on 7th of October 2024. So we are also providing you now the TCS previous year question where you will be able to practice yourself. Clear? Okay. So let us see what kind of questions will be there, where you have to use very little bit of your mind and then you will be able to solve. So Sam, Tom and John. So this is, you see, question asked in TCS itself. So Sam, Tom and John cover a certain distance. Their speed at times was the ratio. Their speed at that time was the ratio 3:4:5. What is the respective ratio of the time taken to cover the distance? So friends, here if you will try to understand, okay, so what has been told, so they covered a certain distance. That means the distance is fixed. The distance is fixed. The distance is same in all cases. Now, so we know distance will be equal to a speed into time. So if distance is constant, then time will become inversely proportional to speed. Okay, so speed is, a speed ratio is what? I will directly write 3:4:5. Then time ratio will be what? So 1/3. So just it is one form, right? Just inversely proportional. Now if you want to solve this, then multiply with their LCM. So 3 4 ja 12, 5 ja 60. So 60/3 and then 60/4 and then 60/5. So here it is 20, here it is 15 and here it is 12. So 20, 15, 12, 20, 15, 12, option B will become the correct answer. So friends, you have to have the basic understanding to solve the TCS problem. The problem might not be tough, all the problem might not be tough, but you have to know the basic concept, then only you will be able to solve the problem easily in the exam. Now, this question, if you will see, okay, so this question, if you try to see, so what has been said here, the average weight of 4 men increases by 6 kg when one man weighing 102 kg is replaced by another man. What is the weight of the new man? Friends, it is very clear. 4 into 6 is 24. 24 plus 102, 126 will be the answer. Now I will tell you the logic, friends. Suppose 3 persons are there, okay? Suppose 3 persons are there and their weight is 20, 20, 20. So what will be average? Sir, if the numbers are same, then the average will be also same. Otherwise, average will be sum divided by number. So 60/3, it will be 20, sir. Clear? Okay. Now, suppose if their average weight increased by 4, let's say 4 only. So if their average weight increased by 4, okay. So average weight increased by 4 means earlier it was 20, now it is 24. So what will be the possibility? That sir, everyone age increased by 4. So if everyone weight is increasing by 4, right, then also average weight will increase by 4. Or if the average weight is increased by 4, then everyone age is increased by 4. So this is one concept we have to keep in mind. So if your average is increasing, that means everyone age is increasing. Now you see in this question, the average weight of 4 men increases by 6 kg. That means every man weight is increased by 6 kg. So 4 into 6, 24 kg is increased. Why 24 kg is increased? Because this 102 kg person is replaced by another man. So definitely 102 plus 24, that means 126. So the 126 person came in and 102 came out. So 102 was managed by 102 and the remaining 24 was distributed on every man. So that is the reason 6666 kg was increased. So what is that answer? 126 kg. So this concept will only help you to understand and to get selected in the examination. And friends, one more thing which I wanted to tell you. So already daily live classes are going on, daily selections are happening, people are updating their result. Now if you are the one who are not getting placed, okay, and if you think that no, something is missing, some preparation is missing, then our TCS NQT crash course will help you to get placed in TCS if you blindly follow that and put some effort. That is what I'm expecting from you all. Thank you, take care, and all the very, very best. So the course descriptions are given in this particular video. Get it as soon as possible so that at least you will mark one seat in TCS for digital, prime or ninja position. Thank you, take care, all the very, very best.